So let me tell you one thing, this is not a promotional video. I don't do any promotional videos. This is what we stayed and this is video is all about the stay that is here. That's it. So we are here today at Bovidae Woods, hosted in Vattavada by Sajichayan, and Sajichayan is also a traveler, so he is hosting this Bovidae Woods for solo travelers. It's atmos safe. There is only 10 stays here with food, breakfast, and campfires, and the price that we paid is somewhere around 1850 per head. If you guys want to have contact with him, the number is in the description below, so you can contact him anytime and ask for some package if you are in groups or something. So this is the place where Sajichayan's stay is. So he has got all the 10 stays only that's here, but that's good and enough to be far from those mud houses and all those. You have to enjoy these 10 stays at least once, or try this at least once in your lifetime. So I think these 10 stays are far and good enough for your stays here. So Sajichayan has got a small lawn there for having small light of activities, for resting up the swing chair. I mean, that's the way where the kitchen is, and that's for his labor house, and that's the lawn where the food and fire camp was arranged. It's got 3 toilets, 1, 2 and 3. So there's another 10 stays arranged there for all the families, and he's able to host around 41 members. He's got all the enough of water, power, all by solar, and he's got 2 big generators back there for his kitchen. One is for a kitchen and one is for the borewell. So that's it. It's in a peace atmosphere where it is surrounded by mountains all 4 sides. So 360 degree. And this is the tent where I stayed for last day, and this was my friend's Balaji's. So all the bikes parked here. Duke, yeah, he is behind that lady dog. ഒരു മാസം കൂടെ ഓവറായിട്ടുള്ള അല്ലെ Hey, bathroom set ആക്കിയോ? I usually never be so close with the cousins. Now she told my helper like she also made a coconut chutney. I got so irritated because I woke up at 6 o'clock and I did all the coconut for her.
Oh, grating.
4 or 5 coconut. It is okay, but you know, I told her like I will do everything. But I tell you one thing. I pay very good to the salary.
എന്ത് ഡ്യൂക്കെ എന്ത് ഡ്യൂക്കെ എന്ത് പറ്റി ചൂടാവല്ലേ പതുക്കെ കാര്യം പറ നമ്മൾ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് അല്ലേ ഷെക്കന നല്ല ഡ്യൂക്കല്ലേ ഷെക്കനാടാ തരല്ലേ ചൂടാവല്ലേ ചൂടാവല്ലേ.
So thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.